Okay, so it is 6:45 right now, and that is usually when I leave for school. So from now up until 7:30, which is when I have to go to tutor, I have my little free time here. Come on, dude. Okay, it is now 7:30 and school's out by 3. So I would have to lock my phone in here for 7.5 hours. You may be wondering why I allocated a whole lesson cleaning. Well, after 13 out of 18 exams, this is what my room looks like. And this is what my table looks like. So yeah, I need that. So that was the first lesson done, and what I've been trying to do lately is to exercise more. So I've gotten myself some gloves and a pull-up bar. It's only been like a week since I've gotten the pull-up bar, but I finally did my first pull-up. Like, it's still wobbly, but it's like a pull-up. Like, look at it. Look, I'm so proud. And you probably know the drill already. Back to the pull-up bars we go. I might have started doing pull-ups and exercises just for the sake of being healthier and maybe looking a little bit better, but it ended up playing a pretty significant role in my academic journey by allowing me to have a little bit of a downtime from exam-related things, especially since this year I'm taking my IGCSEs, which would have the most subjects. I'm taking a total of 16 exams, and the gap between my first and last exam is a whole month and a half. So I just can't imagine just thinking of everything 24/7. Like, that would make anyone go crazy. As I'm editing the video right now, I've already received my GCSE results, and it's nothing to be ashamed of, to say the least, and to be a little bit humble. But here's a little tip for you. Now, past me here is marking a biology past paper with the mark scheme, and without marking, you're not doing the whole do a past paper thing, in my opinion. I've heard people say if you do 20, 30, 40 past papers, you're guaranteed an A star. While that is probably effective, it is not very efficient. I did try to do that, but I still ended up with 8s and 9s, just going through the past papers very thoroughly, fixing every little tiny mistake before moving on to the next question. So that's my personal recommendation on how you may approach GCSE science, but give it a try and let me know how it goes. If you think that was the end of my school day, you are gravely mistaken, because this one last thing I have to do is probably the most impactful thing I do in school, which is my weekly student council meeting. Now, we've never had a meeting online before since we're always in school, but since me and another council member are both were in year 11, and we had exams and had study leave, we both joined virtually. There were technical difficulties due to that, but nothing we couldn't handle. And with that, my so-called school day ends. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!